Watch this. How am I supposed to do this? I've never seen hinges like that before. I have never seen a hinge like this in my life, and I'm scared of it. That thing lets go. See how this is gonna go. It's like working with a mouse trap. That's nothing to mess with. Whew. Holy moly. I've never been afraid of hinges before in my life. I don't know what sadist designed these hinges, and ironically they were on a church door, but I'm actually afraid of them. If they let go, that could break my finger or fly up in my face or something. I've never in my life been afraid of hinges like I'm afraid of this. So I'm gonna do my best to clamp these suckers down. Look at this. This is unreal. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord. God help me. This is unbelievable. Oh my. That is very scary. How are you supposed to remove these safely? How did they get them on here? I'm not kidding. Like, if you're like afraid of like a jack-in-the-box or, all right, here's the last one, and then that's gonna go and it's gonna fly. So wish me luck. Ay. Oh, heavens to Betsy. I'm trying to keep my hands back far. Oh, don't. It's like Pop Goes the Weasel. How are you supposed to get that off of there safely? It's like working with a snake that's gonna bite me or something. These are awful. I've never seen hinges like this. There needs to be like a warning printed on them. Look at, it's just crazy. Oh, oh. Oh my gosh. Come on, Irwins. Seriously. That is not user-friendly, man. And what's holding it up? Oh, there's another one? Are you kidding? This is scary. Oh, I don't like this. Why didn't the guy that wanted these remove it? There's another one in there I didn't see. Oh, I think there needs to be a patron saint of woodworkers. All right. I get my hands anywhere near that. I'm not lying. I'm genuinely afraid of this. I don't like this at all. Oy. Let this go without it getting. Ooh. All right, one more to go. I've never been. Is there like a fear of hardware? Because if there is, I'm inventing it. I'm afraid of this. These hinges. Oh my God. Oh my heavens. They're like hard just. Oh my. All right, let's get it on the edge here. Oh, dear Lord. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh. All right, demon thing. All right, I did it.